Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka number 21. Whatsoever form any devotee desires to worship with faith, that same faith of his I make firm and unflinching.
Chapter 7, Shloka 21. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktaha shraddhayarchitum ichchati tasya chalam shraddham tameva vidadamyaham.
Chapter 7, Shloka 21. The function of the Atma is now described. The spiritual truth supports the womb of the universe, which is a combination of matter and spirit, and from which the names and forms have arisen. The gunas are the cause of the divine illusion, which deludes the individual from seeing the divine within. The inert matter consisting of the physical, mental, and intellectual equipment cannot function without the conscious principle enlivening it. Every individual chooses the idol of his own heart. He worships the idol with faith. Lord says that whatever form of idol the devotee desires to worship with faith, he makes that faith strong. Similarly, each one thinks differently. When one continuously thinks of an idea, the thought of the idea in the mind makes the thought channel deep and strengthens the mental impression of that idea, which indicate the pattern of the desires entertained by the individual. At the core of these subtle thoughts is the spiritual reality which enlivens them. In this way, everyone is bound by his own habits or chained by his own peculiar way of thinking. So, no one needs to be condemned or congratulated for his sensuous or divine thoughts. Each one is a product of his individual type of thinking. The thoughts belong to the realm of nature, Prakriti, and make the world. The self is the essential substratum, Purusha, or the stage on which world drama takes place. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.